open floor concept is the way to go.
Hey guys, so today's a very special day. The only term I know for this is demo day. I've never done any sort of construction or electrical work or anything ever, or demo or anything in my whole life. I'm not a handyman whatsoever. I played sports and I make videos. That's about it. I'm really excited. This is the first day the project's going off the ground. Like with construction, we have the plans, we have everything ready to go. So I'm gonna go in there and just try my best and try not to make a fool of myself, which I probably will because I'm already wearing sweatpants with steel boots. I don't even look like I should be here, but I'm here, and this is gonna be fun. As you can tell, construction already started by me. I actually hit this one so hard it went through. All right, so I'm getting ready. Let me warm up. 1, 2, 3. My first construction job ever. Never done any construction in my life, but I know how to break stuff. Ayuk! It's actually kind of fun doing it this way, but I'm sure at one point I'll either break my hand or foot. That's just weird! That's the damage by one man with 1 foot and a hand. Imagine what I could do with a sledge. I'm ready. Go. I'm ready to go. I feel like I look like a dweeb. Straight. That was way easy. That one did way more damage faster. That piece is not coming down. No! I'm like so rich. We found some treasures. It looks like it's from, I don't know, Canada. Heck yeah! Oh, this one has US dollars too. I'm making money! $2 right here. Pretty nice. Oh look, even pesos. Dude, this person was collecting all kinds of cash. You saw the kitchen.
So are you guys out like the ceiling too, or just like the wall? Like
Everything.
Demo works.
Everything. Ceiling, walls. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. How do you see better? Whew. Put the hammer down. That's tremendous.
Oh, about to do this demolition. I don't know what we're doing. I didn't sign up for this.
I thought I had more steam. Apparently I don't still. I need to build my stamina.
Oh, that took so much energy, dude.
I figured it out. There's studs back there, so you can't break everything. For those of you that don't know what a stud is, it's right here. It's a stud. But this is a wooden stud. The roof has chicken wire on it, and it's plastered too. It's the worst, but we only listen to the jams in here. Right, is this how they do in the kids these days? that what they do? Or the... What do they do?
None of that, man. None of that.
As you can tell, our file's getting a little bigger. We're doing more. It's kind of cool. There's some hardwood actually underneath some of the carpet, but I don't think we're gonna be able to save it because it's very pieced out. But that would have been cool because we want hardwood. But yeah, not gonna work out. Other than that, we're grinding, doing our best. Bunch of amateurs, only 2 actual people that know what they're doing. 3 of us are amateurs, never done this before. But I'm glad you guys are along for the journey, the process. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm losing it. I'm just losing it.